This tutorial is on how to get AutoCAD student version. First, go to the link in the description to get started. Then, click on Create Account. Next, you have to fill these details accurately. Then click on Next. In here, you have to fill your personal details. Fill them correctly. Then, click on Create Account. Now, you have to verify your email. Click on the verification link received with the verification email. Now, we have verified the email successfully. Click on Done. Next, you have to fill the details of your degree. Now you have updated your account to access Autodesk Education Community. To proceed further, click on Continue. Now, the page is showing, we still need to confirm your eligibility. To confirm, again click on Get Started. Here, you can check your details. If all the details are correctly filled, click on Confirm to confirm your identity. As you can see, your identity is now confirmed without submitting the photos of your ID. Now you can download Autodesk products without any payment. If you have already installed AutoCAD, sign in using the created account and restart your computer. If you don't have AutoCAD, download through their site and sign in when you're opening it for the first time, through Autodesk app or through AutoCAD itself. If you have any questions, do not forget to mention them in the comments. Thank you for watching.